Consume this recipe will help you lose weight quickly without diet. Today, the internet has been overwhelmed with millions of diet plans and weight loss methods. All of them promise quick and effective results. However, in fact, they only provide temporary results. Some even cause side effects for the body. Instead of using unhealthy diets, consume this drink. It will help you lose weight quickly in a short time without side effects for your health. What's more, it is made of some inexpensive and natural ingredients. The first and also the main ingredient of this drink is cayenne pepper powder. Maybe you will be surprised, but according to the results of a recent studies conducted by the UCLA research team, the heat provided by cayenne pepper can cause the body to burn more calories and oxidize different layers of fat. However, the taste of cayenne pepper can make it difficult for many people to consume it alone. So, we will guide you on how to make a drink by combining cayenne pepper with some other weight loss ingredients to help improve the taste simultaneously, enhancing the weight loss capability of cayenne pepper. They are lime and honey. If you don't have lime, you can also use lemon instead. To start, you prepare 250 ml of lukewarm water. Mineral or filtered water are okay. Now, add cayenne pepper powder in this cup of water. Just 1 pinch cayenne pepper powder, about 1/16 teaspoon, not more. You should use lukewarm water because cayenne pepper powder in cold water dissolves much slower than putting it in lukewarm water. Next, add lime juice in this cup of water. 2 tablespoons are enough. The citric acid in lime can boost metabolism, helping you burn more calories and store less fat. Moreover, drinking lime water is a safe way to feel full while not stuffing yourself with extra unwanted calories. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of honey and stir well. Honey can help you wrap up your weight loss because it has an effect on your appetite. Sugar triggers hunger even if your body doesn't really need food. On the contrary, honey regulates your appetite and makes you feel hungry when your body really needs it. You can also use maple syrups instead of honey if it's really your need. Then, you should pour this drink into a bottle with a lid to drink during the day. Shake well before each drink. Drink this drink 8 to 10 times a day, but not more. Don't drink this drink for more than 2 weeks.